Long ago, in the land of Jerusalem, a young prophet named Jesus, Isa, peace be upon him, walked among the people. One day, the children of the village gathered around him. They watched as he knelt upon the ground. He took a handful of clay, shaped it with care, wings, beak, and feathers. A bird, beautiful but lifeless. Then he raised it in his hands and said softly, "By Allah's permission, live." He breathed upon it, and the clay began to move. Its wings fluttered, its eyes opened, and it took flight into the sky. The people gasped in wonder, for they had witnessed life itself obeying the command of Allah. And Jesus said, "This is not my power, but the power of Allah, who gives life to all things." A reminder, the true miracles are signs, not of man's strength, but of the Creator's infinite mercy. The clay that once lay still, soared by the breath of faith.